invite you just to sit for a moment with those two hymns. The greatest thing in all my life is knowing, loving, and serving you. Do you feel a vibration through your body in this moment? At this time, I invite you to close your eyes if you wish and begin to take a moment to be aware of thoughts or feelings you are experiencing right now in this moment. And when you're ready, begin to bring your awareness to your body. Feeling the support of the chair, your feet solidly on the ground, connected to earth, your head held high, connected to the heavens. Your body fully supported, comfortable in this moment. Your arms, your shoulders, your neck and head. The greatest thing in all my life is loving you. The greatest thing in all my life is feeling self-love in this moment. And if you're comfortable, I ask you to ask the question, what am I? I think the answer comes from deep within. We are not our physical elements, we're not our attributes. We're much more than that. Imagine yourself in a green meadow. Imagine that you can see yourself in that meadow, who you really, truly are. What am I? I am love. I am peace. I am joy. And for a moment, why don't we just take wherever you are right now and take that into the silence and just enjoy this moment. Be open to whatever is right now. Allow yourself to feel loving warmth and energy. The greatest thing in all my life is loving you. In this moment, feel the love that you are, your basic essence. That's who you are. That's not something outside of us. It's what's inside. Let love radiate without concern for results. Let go. Let God. Feel the Christ presence through you right now. Let us remember that love connects us all, even when it doesn't feel like it. Bring your gifts, the gifts of your love, which is so much needed. Fill me with love that I may be loving be. And as you come back into the room, become aware of the light and the love that you feel. Bring that with you in the next moment, the next hour, the rest of the day, the rest of your life. And as you open your eyes and come back to the room, you feel that radiating through you. The greatest thing in all my life is serving you.